birthday to you. Happy birthday, jolly birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, one more. Yung mas malataas at mas mabilis. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. To you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Okay, yan. Siyempre bakit breaking yung kanta na pwede ba naman marinig yung wish ni Mami ng Daddy and especially with you.
Happy birthday, Andre! Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo and mag-aaral ng mabuti. At magpapabait lang sa mami at daddy. Yun lang.